Importance of good documentation practices. In a GMP environment, documentation needs to meet regulatory requirements to ensure products' quality and patient safety. Inadequately or incorrectly recorded instructions can have negative impact on the quality of product and thereby on the health and safety of patients. Good documentation practice is required to meet regulatory directives. It is an inevitable part of quality assurance system and a mandate for all aspects of GMP. GDP help to improve product quality and ensure patient safety. Documentation provides information on who, when, where, why and how to complete the task. Evidence to prove that the task has been completed as per the predefined procedures. Have you ever wondered, why are documents so important? Documents are important, as it serve as better communication source. Are cost effective. Help in audit trail. It saves a lot of time and efforts. And most importantly, it acts as an evidence. Role of good documentation practices in quality system. To trace and make sure that, what is to be done, when it was done, how it was done, and who did it. To correct and prevent mistakes, if any happen. To prevent the mistakes in the future. To track and control the activities. Provide information. Provide instructions. It is mandatory by law. Create legal documents. And provide historical records. Our customers are our patients. They want 100% accuracy. Our customers trust that. We as a pharmaceutical manufacturers, management team, and each one of us involved in manufacturing of quality products, are doing it right first time and every time. To enable patients' trust and fulfill accuracy expectations, we create documents. These documents fulfills our customers' criteria of 100% accuracy by enabling authentic data, completed documents, and true information. In other words, the significance of the documents recorded by us during product manufacture is equivalent to the product. Why do pharmaceutical industry is required to create the documents? The documentation practices of the company may have direct impact on the product quality, successful regulatory audit, and reputation of the organization. Quality management system ensures that documents have been identified, reviewed, approved and documented and stored according to record retention policies. The regulatory agencies across the globe has given utmost importance to documentation. According to US FDA 21 CFR, if any work or activity has not been documented in the document, then that work or activity has not been done. MHRA says, good documentation constitutes an essential part of the quality assurance system. Clearly written documentation prevents errors from spoken communication and permits tracing of batch history. EMA or European Medicines Agency states, good documentation constitutes an essential part of the quality assurance system and is key to operating in compliance with GMP requirements. What should be done to avoid compliance issues? Suitable controls should be implemented to ensure the accuracy, integrity, availability and legibility of documents. Instruction documents should be free from errors and available in writing. The term written means recorded, or documented on media from which data may be rendered in a human-readable form. Handwritten entries should be made in clear, legible, indelible way. Records should be made or completed at the time each action is taken and in such a way that all significant activities concerning the manufacture of medicinal products are traceable. Although some may term GMP as great mounds of paper, but these paperwork are the backbone of manufacturing quality product. So, keep doing the good job and always ensure quality in everything that you do. Until then, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Please write on the comment section what more you would like to know about.